What's something people don't know about writing off car expenses? Yes, you can legally deduct your personal car expenses. However, there's a catch. You have to sometimes use your car for business purposes. This means using your car to buy supplies, go to a business event, transport clients, or give tours to clients. In general, the IRS allows you to deduct any expense related to your business. If you need your car to keep your business afloat, it's legal to write it off as an expense on your business tax return. One of the ways you can write off your personal car expenses is by using the standard mileage rate method. Using this method, you can take whatever mileage you used for the business and multiply it by the standard mileage rate to get your total deduction. It's important to know that the IRS changes the standard mileage rate yearly. For the year 2024, the standard mileage rate is 67 cents per mile. To take advantage of this standard mileage rate method, you must keep track of your mileage usage, personal and business. One way you can do this is by using Google or Apple Maps. Every time you are about to drive somewhere for business purposes, open the app and see how many miles you have to travel to get from point A to point B. An easier way would be to use apps that track your mileage. Go to your Google or Apple store and type mileage tracker. Another way you can deduct your personal car expenses is by using the actual expense method. This is where you deduct the expenses paid for gas, repairs, maintenance, etc. Like the previous method, you will still need to keep track of your mileage with this actual expense method. That's because the IRS will ask you for the total miles you drove for the year. To calculate this, you will need to subtract your ending mileage for the year minus the beginning miles for the year. You will then divide all the miles you drove for the business by your total miles driven for the year. The percentage you get back from that calculation is how much you can deduct from your expenses. For example, say you used your car for business 50% of the time, and the other 50% was for personal use. Well, this means you can deduct 50% of your actual expenses. If you spent $100 on gas, that means you can deduct $50 of it. If you spent $500 on repairs, then you can deduct $250. In this example, all of your expenses are deductible by 50%. Now, if you use this method, it's important to keep track of all your expenses by keeping receipts. You can put the receipts in the glove compartment of your car or in a drawer inside your home or office. It doesn't matter where, as long as you keep track of it. I hope you found this helpful.